Welcome back to Tales from my collection. Everything in life has to have a balance. It is a balance of holding on and letting go. A fine balance in life provides harmony and peace. Never do things in excess. Balance is the key to everything and it requires awareness, and through this awareness we grow. Balance is a feeling derived from being whole and complete. It is a sense of harmony which is needed to maintain the quality in life. We need to introduce a little balance into life. Part of this balance means not missing out on some of the marvels of life around us. The fun, excitement, and the other challenges in life. So, learn to enjoy life by keeping a balance and never stop improving yourself. Happiness in life is not a matter of intensity, but of balance, order, rhythm, and harmony. Life is not always perfect, but it is what you make it. So, try to make it a memorable one. Sometimes, you just need to pause your pursuit of happiness and just be happy regardless of what life throws at you. The secret of life is finding the right balance in life. So, one should learn to acknowledge the great powers around and within them. Balanced living means considering all the aspects of our life like relationships, work, fitness, and emotional well-being. Making time for yourself is necessary so that you can keep up with all your responsibilities. Striking a balance in life helps you to lead a happy and contented life. It also ensures your growth as an individual and secures your mental peace and well-being. Everything that happens in our life cannot be planned, so learn to face it with confidence. Living a well-balanced life is learning to deal with adversity, unforeseen events, and uncertainty. Improve your critical thinking and problem-solving abilities, which will help in reducing the stress and lead a well-balanced life, which is the secret to happiness and success in your life. Now, over to the story. A merchant sent his son to learn the secret of happiness from the wisest of men. The young man wandered through the desert for 40 days until he reached a beautiful castle at the top of a mountain. There lived the sage that the young man was looking for. However, instead of finding a holy man, our hero entered a room and saw a great deal of activity, merchants coming and going, people chatting in the corners, a small orchestra playing sweet melodies, and there was a table laden with the most delectable dishes of that part of the world. The wise man talked to everybody, and the young man had to wait for 2 hours until it was time for his audience. With considerable patience, the sage listened attentively to the reason for the boy's visit, but told him that at that moment he did not have the time to explain to him the secret of happiness. He suggested that the young man take a stroll around his palace and come back in 2 hours' time. However, I want to ask you a favor, he added, handing the boy a teaspoon in which he poured 2 drops of oil. While you walk, carry the spoon and don't let the oil spill. The young man began to climb up and down the palace staircases, always keeping his eyes fixed on the spoon. At the end of the 2 hours, he returned to the presence of the wise man. So, asked the sage, "Did you see the Persian tapestries hanging in my dining room? Did you see the garden that the master of gardeners took 10 years to create? Did you notice the beautiful parchments in my library? Embarrassed, the young man confessed that he had seen nothing. His only concern was not to spill the drops of oil that the wise man had entrusted to him. So, go back and see the wonders of my world, said the wise man. You can't trust a man if you don't know his house. Now, more at ease, the young man took the spoon and strolled again through the palace. This time, paying attention to all the works of art that hung from the ceiling and walls. He saw the gardens, the mountains all around the palace, and the delicacy of the flowers, the taste with which each work of art was placed in its niche. Returning to the sage, he reported in detail all that he had seen. But where are the 2 drops of oil that I entrusted to you? Asked the sage. Looking down at the spoon, the young man realized that he had spilled the oil. Well, that is the only advice I have to give you, said the sage of sages. The secret of happiness lies in looking at all the wonders of the world and never forgetting the 2 drops of oil in the spoon. The story refers to by keeping a good balance between the things around us and at the same time enjoying what the world has to offer will help us to become successful and happy. So a fine balance in life is a key, and the secret to life is finding the right balance in everything you do. One should learn to take care of self by reducing the stress and maintaining a well-balanced life. Know what your priorities are and decide what is important to you before setting your boundaries. Not knowing what you want and trying to do everything at once will lead to a disaster. The critical part of a balance in life lies in choosing our priorities. Create an efficient mindset. Expect the unexpected, and this mindset helps you to adjust in life, and it protects you from getting thrown off your stride when something unexpected happens in your life. Maintain a positive mental attitude by beginning your day with the intention of making the best and most of it. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.